Over here we're going to write some expressions from words and phrases. The first one is just the sum of 4x, 5 and 7x. Do you remember the sum? It has to do with addition. It is the answer to an addition problem, but it is also the actual addition expression. So this is 4x plus 5 plus 7x. That is the sum of 4x and 5 and 7x, okay? It is now written out as an expression. The quotient of 5x and 6. The quotient was the division process, okay? So this means 5x divided by 6. It is exactly the same. 5x divided by 6 is the quotient of 5x and 6. I cannot actually calculate its value now because I do not have a value for x. If I was given that x equals some number, then I could actually calculate the quotient. The difference of 6b and 8 multiplied by 2. Okay? The difference has to do with subtraction. And then it's going to be multiplied. So there's two operations here. The difference of 6b and 8. That would be 6b minus 8. And now multiplied by 2. We need to take this whole thing and multiply it by 2. And to do that, I need parentheses here. I could multiply it over here times 2 or over here times 2. It does not matter because, multiplication is commutative. You can multiply in either order. And I do not need a multiplication sign there because it's not just two numbers. It is a number and the parentheses. The quantity 2a squared. Anything squared means there's an exponent 2, right? Now, why does it say the quantity 2a? Without it, I would read it 2a squared. I'll just write it how it would be without the word quantity, okay? If it said only 2a squared, it would be 2a squared like that, or 2 times a squared. But now when it says the quantity 2a squared, it means that this 2a here is squared, and I actually need parentheses in it. The difference is this is 2a times itself. It is 2a times 2a, right? Okay, this is 2a times 2a. Whereas the other one, this one here, is 2 times a times a. So those two are different. It wasn't this one. The expression 2l plus 2w gives us the something of a rectangle. Can you tell what? Evaluate that expression if L equals 2.5 meters and W equals 3.6 meters. Let me sketch here a rectangle for starters. I wonder what this L and W could signify. I'll tell you. L is its length and W is its width. Now that might help you. So 2L plus 2W, what does it give us? 2L would be L plus L. 2W is the same as W plus W. I mean, it is 2 times W, but that's the same as W plus W. So if you add L and W, you get the perimeter of the rectangle, right? Now let's evaluate it. If L has that value, W has that value. I'll copy this expression, but in place of L, I write the number 2.5 meters and then plus 2 times and the value of W, 3.6 meters. This here is 5 meters. This here is 7.2 meters. So we get 12.2 meters as the perimeter of that rectangle. Okay, we're all done with this lesson.